Can I jump in here? Idiom. This idiom is used to ask politely if you can interrupt or join a conversation. It's like saying, "May I add something?" Examples. During the meeting, she raised her hand and said, "Can I jump in here to share your idea?" He noticed the discussion was getting off track and asked, "Can I jump in here to steer it back?" While the friends were debating, he asked, "Can I jump in here to provide his perspective?" At the family dinner, she said, "Can I jump in here?" when she wanted to contribute to the conversation. During the brainstorming session, he said, "Can I jump in here to suggest a new approach?" Tips for remembering. Visualize. Picture someone literally jumping into a conversation circle, joining the discussion. Connect. Think of moments when you wanted to add your thoughts or steer the conversation. Practice. Use it in sentences when you need to politely interrupt or add to a conversation. Remember, "Can I jump in here?" is a polite way to ask for permission to speak or contribute, ensuring you are not being rude. It's like raising your hand before speaking in class. Hope this helps you understand the idiom better. That's it for now. Thank you. Bye.